think you know Fairfield, Connecticut. It's Mark Pyers with Coldwell Banker. I'm here in Fairfield, Connecticut. Smith Richardson just opened up the newest version of their driving range. There used to be a driving range here. It was just a bunch of mats, and we all came out here and hit the ball happily. But now they have an overhang. You've got heat, so in the winter time you could come here, and most importantly, technology, so you can work on your game all year round. Let's go inside and discover what they've done here at Smith Richardson. Discover Connecticut, a real estate show about the towns that we love, the 400 years of history under our feet, the small businesses, the amazing family attractions, and the people that make it tick. Smith Richardson, the town of Fairfield, have decided to provide you with tracer technology. So you could come here and you could hit a ball, you could work on your game. There's heaters. How about that? We're gonna take one quick shot here.
So even though we're here at Smith Richardson, we're actually playing St. Andrews.
We're gonna set up the Toptracer range, just do a warm up, and it will tell us exactly what we got here. Distance, if I'm slicing the ball, if I'm drawing the ball. You ever see anybody play golf with a suit and tie? That's how they used to play back in the 1900s. Early 1900s, they had a tie on when they played. That guy's crushing the ball. Wow, that's a drive. All right. Work. Woo, a little long. That's 114 yards with a 56 degree. So I'm hitting bombs right now. Should take a little off and see if we could hit that little licorice pole. Ready? That's a textbook swing, by the way. Licorice poling it, here we go. In the cup. That's perfect distance. That was exactly 98 yards. We wanted to be 100. All right, last swing. We should cook this one. Let's just see how far we can hit a 56 degree. How about that? Mark Pyers. Cinderella story. Oh, I got it. I went right on the line, about 120 yards, 56 degree. I'll take it. Here at Smith Richardson, this is Discover Connecticut. Make sure you come on down here, discover Fairfield, understand what amazing attractions we have for the family. And until next time, it's Mark Pyers. And this is Discover Connecticut. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have a small business you'd like featured on Discover Connecticut, just let us know.